So is that just like a regular Kodiak cake there?
So layer of pancake, and then you make this cinnamon sugar mixture and butter.
Oh, fun.
So it tastes like a cinnamon roll.
They turn out so pretty too.
Just running out.
I know, you're on your last one, huh?
Yeah.
These look so good, Elle. Did you like it, Dad?
There you go.
Hell yeah! Are you kidding me?
Good stuff. I haven't even had a bite yet. Okay, this looks so good. Ellie used the Kodiak cake pancake mix to make like a cinnamon roll version. I cannot wait to dig into that.
Talking about?
Yeah, did you see her? She wants some of it.
Of course she does.
Now here's Charlie.
He's no dummy.
Charlie wants a bite too.
Elsa. Sorry.
My sweet girl. And I got Charlie over here growl.
Elsa's going back on.
She's like, excuse me.
In my spot.
No. Hey, love bug.
No, I'm not touching it. He went like this and sent it out my chest.
I was close to her face. That was close. That was real close.
Wait, this'll do the thing.
Huh? No.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, I'm not doing that.
Just say it different, but do the face.
No, I'm not doing that.
Oh my god.
No, not on camera.
Come on, please. No, we need to document that.
No.
Just do it one time.
No.
One time.
Crazy.
No.
One time, Fizzle. Ugh.
Not doing it.
I just got your mouth going like this. Aw, this is the house my daddy built. It's so gorgeous. It's at the beach in Del Mar. But it's so funny. When it was first getting done being built, I went out to look at it, and I was like standing in the front of the property. And I don't know if they were neighbors or what, but they came up to me and they're like, "Oh my gosh, we love your house so much. It's so gorgeous." Everybody just goes crazy over it. And I remember I was like, "Oh, thank you so much." Like I fully took credit, like I owned it and I lived there, but I was really just taking credit because like my dad built it, but it's so gorgeous. Look at Juju.